Here's the 2022 Rieju MR Pro 300, and this is what it looks like. Haven't brought you a video of just a walk around. You can rent this bike from A&M Moto Toys. It's plated, as you can see, where it's also a Colorado HOV sticker. P-Tech skid plate on it. We got the reflex hand guards. Both awesome products, awesome company. And I just wanted to bring you a little walk around video. I like these type of videos because in the future, people can look at it and just see where things were. There's the carb, got the starter, skid plate, just various parts. And it might help somebody down the road just to see how it was set up, especially as time goes on. And I'll go ahead and get the other side close up. There's the fan, P-Tech radiator guards also. I almost forgot about those. The Kickstarter, the KYB rear shock and front forks are on this bike. It's a nice bike.